Hello, my name is Krishna. This is One Man Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you're interested in 3D learning, go to my playlist and watch the earlier video. Today we are going to learn how to make this wine glass. Okay, before learning that, I'm going to explain phrases about verses, edges, and vertices. Okay. Before that, if you want to hide this object, click on this and press on this V. It will hide the object. Okay, let's take a cube. Hard to scale, is scaling it. And okay, this is an object. If you want to select it this face, select right click and drag the mouse down to face here. And it will be like this. You have to select the face and you can decrease up and scale that face, translate that face, or rotate that face. If you want to move the edge, right click, go to the edge, select the edge you want, and move it like you want. Vertices means the corners. Now select the vertices and right click, press the right click, and go to the vertex. Select the vertex you want and move the vertex. Okay. This is the point. So we have these faces, edges, and vertices. Okay. If you are in anything like edge or face, you don't know how to get out of it, press right click and select the object mode. It will bring that to the relation zone. Okay, that's it. We are going to do a wine glass. If you want to delete object, press delete on the keyboard. Okay. Now we have to import a reference. So press spacebar and go to the front view. This is the front view. Go to the front view and press on view. Select the image plane and import image. Import means bringing that importing. Select where you have placed the image. I'm going to give you this link in the description so you can follow along with me. Open. This is in a small size, so we have to scale it. If you want to scale it, just select that and scale. Press 5, 5, 5, and excuse me. Scale it equally. And bring it on the grid. Okay. Now go to the front view again. And if you want, then go please that fancy. Just control you. It will give you this and color again, decrease color again. So something like this. And now go to create and curve tools. Take the CV curve tool. They're going to come from here. Press on it. Here, what you have to do is press and release. Press and release. Press and release. Alt plus middle mouse button to pen. You can see here, we want to undo this. Control Z. First Control Z. It will undo one step at a time. Here you have this. So how to make it like this? Let you know. Yeah. Press enter to make it a curve. If you want to edit the points you have placed, right click on that object and control vertex. What is control vertex? You will bring the points again. You want to see this point and the down point on the same line. Select those two. At the same time. Select those two. Press Control and select. Press Shift and select for the point. And press up to scale. Scale in the x-axis to bring it to the same point. Okay. Now go to the object now. And now you can delete this. We don't need this anymore. By selecting this, go to the surface and press Revolve. It will make up. As you can see, it is black in color. So what we have to do is, and again, go to the surface and reverse directions. Yeah, we'll give you this. Even though you name the cup, with the help of string, you can You can change the object as well. Select both cup and string. Then control, select the cup. So it will be selected. Right click and go to control vertex. And the point selected. Select the point you want. And to check it, just see what it will do. It is given controlling when an object is completed. And go to the object mode again. The cup is formed, but it is in nums. We have to convert it to the polygon. What you have to do is select the cup and go to the modify, go to the convert, and now it's to polygon. Click on this box and select this quad. Let's start it to be on this triangle, but you have to select quad and click translate. Click translate. It will make a duplicate of the same cup, but in polygons. This is in polygons now. I'll show you something. I'm taking the cube and scaling it. If you press T, it will smooth the cube. So it will become a sphere. 3 is smooth mode. You have to select the object and press the 3 to smooth it. I'm pressing 3 for this. It is smooth mode. See. You can delete it now. If you want to focus on some object, if you see, if you want to revolve around that cube, but you are revolving around this wine glass. So what I have to do is click on the object and press F to focus that object. You can revolve around that and look. Even though you have the wine cup, you'll revolve around that cube. If you want to focus on this cup, press F, select this cup and press F. You can revolve around that. Even though you don't have an object, press F to focus on the grid. It will focus on it. Okay. This is the lesson for today. My name is Vamsi Krishna. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you again in the next video.